Hi everyone. So I'm going to get my COVID vaccine today. Normally I don't like the experience of getting needles, but this one is a bit unique because I think this is the only way we can say kind of goodbye to COVID. So yeah, so I'm going, and I'll again start the video once I reach there and share my experience. So I reached the site where I'm gonna get vaccine, and these are all the cars waiting, and there are the camps over there. So pretty much good organized. I did a drive-through, like you have to be in the car. And so I already printed the email which they send out, which is an appointment confirmation, and I kept my identity ready and my insurance card. I believe they're not gonna check the identity, they're gonna just check the confirmation, but let's just figure out. I'm good, sir.
An appointment, I guess.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Here you go. Fill this out and submit it over there, okay?
I don't have
you
a
don't
pen.
Have a pen. My friend over there has the pen. He'll give you a pen. Have
Thank
a great
you.
day. All right.
So this is just the consent form that you have. I got a message which mentioned that I need to consent what are the side effects and all that. So this is just a confirmation of the same thing. Okay. I'm getting in.
How are you?
I'm doing good, sir.
Can I have the phone number you registered with?
832
Yeah.
792.
Mr. Umar?
Yes, sir.
Date of birth, please.
17 Feb 90.
And this is your first dose, correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You get to keep on going forward to the right. You have a good one.
You too. So this was just a validation whether it's the same person coming or hello.
You can pull up more. Thank you, and give us just one moment, okay?
No worries.
You can put that away. We just need this.
Okay.
In case I don't find you, I will need that, but other than that, you should be fine.
Sounds good.
First dose, Moderna.
Yeah.
Second dose is April 21st.
Okay.
Next 48 hours, you might have some pain, swelling. Just take whatever you normally do for pain over the counter. You
Okay.
know, Tylenol, ibuprofen. There you go.
Thanks, sir.
All right. Left arm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's-
Relax it.
Yeah.
All right.
Do I have to wait somewhere or?
Yeah. Just pull out left, go straight to the flagpole area, and set the timer for 15 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Finally did it. Yeah. So, but I don't like the experience at all of getting syringes. I hope they get something good, like giving tablets, something orally. I have to wait in another area, and the deal is if you feel like fatigue, or if there is something else you're feeling which is not normal, for those 15 minutes you're supposed to honk, and then they have a medical team here which is going to assess you, and I hope that doesn't happen. So let's see. And they give you this card here, and then they mention 21st April is my other appointment, and then I have to come at the same place or go at the other place. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm feeling normal. It's just a heaviness here in the arm, and I hope I'll be fine for 15 minutes and I'll go back home.